What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning, happy Wednesday to you. I'm jamming out to some good old soul music in here. Let me pause that. Alright, so today is going to be a pretty eventful day, I hope. Let me just sit down in here. I don't have a chair. Anyways, we are going to be receiving, hopefully, some more gym equipment. So I'm excited to get that in. And then we've got the new packages for the keto bricks, so we're using those. I do have a huge problem with that. I'll fill you in on that later. And then what else is going on? I've got 2 podcasts, one with Marcus Aurelius Anderson, who's going to be a repeat guest on my podcast, but it's going to be good. We're going to dive deep into the mindset. That will go live on Friday, so I'm looking forward to that one. We're going to work on some inventory. We got all kinds of stuff to do. Stay tuned. We just finished our workout. We did triceps and chest. It was rock solid, and it felt great. So I got a good pump now. About to go change a shirt because this one is sweaty. All right, you beautiful people. We have got a shipment coming in. UPS just gave me a call. Said it's gonna be about 20 minutes. So I'm about to move all the vehicles here, my truck, the van, so that he can get the big old 18-wheeler backed up and in position. What's happening up in here? How's it going? How's it going?
Doing what we do.
Making vanilla or cinnamon?
No, that's cinnamon crunch.
Cinnamon crunch?
Yes, sir.
That's Dylan's favorite, isn't it? Or is it
Yes.
cookies and cream?
No, cinnamon crunch is my favorite.
I gotta get y'all to move your vehicles.
What for?
We got a semi coming in.
Does it got a fire truck on it?
Alright, y'all, all the vehicles have been moved. We got about 10 to 15 minutes before UPS freight gets here, so let's see what we got. Alright, while I'm waiting on the shipment to get here, I figured I'd grab a quick bite to eat. Crystal was kind enough to prepare my food. Let's see what we got.
Every single meal.
What? What you got, baby?
I got 8 eggs, 2 ounces of cream cheese.
8 eggs, and that's a lot of eggs. 2 ounces of ground cheese, and then we get coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
And then I've got my ground beef. And then I've also got, I'm gonna put some real salt on there with probably, I really like this stuff, this barbecue ranch. I'm gonna put that on there as well. Didn't quite have time to eat. I'll eat after I get this unloaded. He's doing all the work and y'all two just standing around.
I'm waiting on him to give me the...
What we got, Corey?
Bro, looks like a dumbbell rack. Look how sharp that is.
I'm in large now,
Oh yeah.
Beast mode,
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we got our dumbbell rack here. We have to see. I don't know if we might need to take these holsters out here. It might fit better without them. But yeah, buddy, I'm excited
like
about
it?
this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you think, baby?
Looks good.
You like it? Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at the new rack. It's too dark in here to focus. There it goes. That looks dead sexy, if I may say so myself.
Thank you. What do you think about the weights?
Those two. Like it, baby? Alright, so Dylan said he can curl it.
I just did it! I can't do it again!
He can curl an 80. Come on, brother.
Alright, try left-handed.
Let's see you curl an 80.
No, I can't do it left-handed.
Ah! Come on, Batman.
Alright, let me go to 100. Let's up it. Where's that?
That's flawless form right there, y'all. It's flawless.
I'll go down 10.
By the way, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and eat the other half of my keto brick, or the first half of my keto brick for the day. It is now February 5th or 6th. Last month, so January, I did the meat and bricks. Quick little update on that. I did that all of January. Danny and I did it. Several other people jumped on as well. We both felt amazing. The first couple, like while I was at the conference, while I was at the Metabolic Health Summit, I ate all kinds of food that was not meat and bricks. All keto, of course, but I had a lot of the samples, had a lot of nut butters, etc., etc., etc. But I'm going back to the meat and bricks right now. Probably going to be doing it a little bit more loosely, but pretty much this will be the base of everything I eat because I feel that great on it and I have 0 cravings. And my body fat has dropped, my muscle mass and strength has improved. So that's pretty much what you want in a nutrition plan. And that's what I've got with the meat and bricks. So that's what I'm gonna continue to do. What is going on, y'all? I'm in the lab, aka the Keto Savage Kitchen, aka the Keto Brick Kitchen, and I am doing something that I enjoy doing, which is formulating a new keto brick recipe. Get ready, because this one's gonna be delicious. This one won't go live on the next launch. We're in the formulation stages right now, so it's gonna take some adjusting, some manipulating, but rest assured, I'm doing everything I can to come out with new and exciting flavors for y'all on a regular basis. So get ready for that. Boom, y'all, there it is. The next potential keto brick. Y'all don't even know what it is yet. It's gonna be good though. All right, y'all, so I am gonna cook a sous vide steak tonight, and I'm gonna go buy a blowtorch so that I can sear that baby. Right now, Crystal got something. Actually, I got something in the mail, but Crystal's gonna open it because she is our what are those women called that show the cool things on TV? Like, and here we have a new car. Anyways, check this out. Open her up, baby doll.
Actually, I bet you Robert's having me open this because it's one of those things that's a pain in the butt to open.
No,
so,
here's a knife if you want it.
How am I supposed to? Yeah.
Just be careful with that knife.
Be careful with it.
Yeah, like don't slice into. Well, I don't want you to cut what's in there.
Well, I don't know what's in there. I don't know how to.
All right, what we got?
Robert got us a tarp.
A tarp.
That's what it looks like.
It's not a tarp. It's not a tarp. You excited?
I don't know. Whoa!
Ooh. Boom! Check it out. Keto brick, y'all. We got one to match the Keto Savage one. What do you think, babe?
I can't see it.
Put your head down. So this is obviously not the final place for it, but that's kind of what it's looking like all laid out. Keto brick. Fuel for life.
And our broom over there.
And our broom over there. Yeah.
Super cool.
Alright, y'all, we are at Lowe's right now. We are going to get a blowtorch. Hopefully they have a blowtorch. We are also going to get Sharpies, and I'll tell you why we're going to get Sharpies here in just a minute. Boom, y'all, blowtorch, baby. Y'all want to know how long it takes for Crystal's sweetness to run out? So I got back on Monday. She was super sweet for 2 days. And then since then...
You know how long it takes for Robert to get out of work, back into the work zone after he returns back from a trip? He has one evening. Oh, what time did you get in?
No.
All right, 11 until what? 1 the next morning, and then he goes back to work.
I've been super sweet. We've been like doing non-work stuff a lot. What are we talking about? Crazy. All right, Crystal's gonna get some chicken because she wants a leaner meat. Is that right?
That's correct.
Alright, we have found our chicken. We're going home. We're going to cook that chicken and we're going to eat that chicken. I'm going to eat my steak and I'm going to blowtorch that steak. It's going to be marvelous. You mean blowtorch your chicken?
No.
Come on, baby. Check what out. What we found, a new Zevia cucumber lemon. Excited?
Yeah. Check what out.
You laughing at me?
Yeah. It's expensive. 5, 10.
Alright, Zevia sparkling water.
Ooh, I can smell that.
Cucumber lemon.
That's good.
It's refreshing.
Is it sweetened?
Very, very subtly. You try it?
Oh.
You like it?
That's good. It says, oh, it says that. A little bit sweet. That's
Very
cute.
nice.
I like that. It's really refreshing.
Alright, y'all. I have my sous vide steak. I have my blowtorch. Been wanting to try this for a while now. Let's do it.
Bring it this way.
check that steak out, y'all. Absolutely beautiful. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. Did the flamethrower sear do this steak justice? That's pretty good. I'm gonna dig into this steak, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. But, real quick, I alluded earlier to something with the packaging of these keto bricks, the new packaging. So I bought 60,000 of these bags for the mocha keto bricks. That was pretty expensive, 60,000 of them. And none of them have the calorie account. None of them show the number of calories in here, which is just mind-boggling. I saw that and my heart sank because it's like, can't fix it now. I got 60,000 of these bags that I spent all my money on, and there's no calorie count, which just is terrible because the amount of calories I think is one of the big selling points of this brick. So not even is it not showcased, but it's not even on there. So we have to hand write 1,000 with a Sharpie on 60,000 bags. You excited about that, Crystal?
Super excited.
Hand write with a Sharpie. So we're already hand signing all these cards that we put in here, so now we're gonna hand write the calorie count on there too. That's just how much we love hand writing things, y'all. So if you get a brick bag, just know that it's got 1,000 calories in it. Now, I'm about to dive into the steak. I'll see you tomorrow. Love you much.